So we're here back again at Lady Ann Lake. It's Tuesday morning. It's a beautiful morning. We're gonna come out and see if we can't catch some more largemouth. Stay with us. First look out of the day. We'll take them though. That, my friends, is a nice fish. Let's send him back home. Yeah, destroy this fluke. So it seems like this afternoon, they're still giving. This is day 2 of Lady Ann Lake. Chasing the little bit bigger fish. Gotta get all these little guys out of the way though, so we can get to the mamas of them. Still pretty looking fish. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, so today we are throwing a Zoom Super Fluke. It's got black flake, silver flake, got some blue, and I got it on a shaky head, and seems like it's doing the trick. I was throwing it last night at the same time, and it turned out well. I've caught a few fish already, just trying to look for that, you know, big jaws. Let's see if we can go catch some more. Come on.